Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to do a spotlight on David and Kelly's home out here in Frisco. So here at David and Kelly's, they wanted an update of their landscape. Their landscape had suffered from the freeze that we had a while ago, and it lost quite a few plants, and they decided it was a good opportunity for them to just update the whole landscape. And so what we did here was in the corners, we used these green plants over on the corner, and then to the right of the window here. These are pringle yews, and these are going to get somewhere around 4 feet tall, 3 or 4 feet tall, something like that. And they're going to frame the home just a little bit. In front of that, we have kaleidoscope abelia. That's that somewhat yellowish plant here with the slightly white blooms on it. To add some color, these are dwarf Mexican petunias, and these are going to bloom either pink or white, or sometimes blue over the summertime, depending upon which variety that you have. To layer, then we also use these are green liriope. It's giant liriope. These are going to get about 2 feet tall or so, which we like to use these evergreen plants to give a nice good texture and to give a layering effect to the landscape. To frame the entry, we used Obsession Nandina, and you can see it already has just a hint of red on the foliage. And as we head on into wintertime, that's going to turn a deeper red. It's just a beautiful plant over the wintertime. It's one of the few plants that adds more color in the winter than it does even the summer. And in front of that, we have, these are ice plants. And you can see it's late in the season, but you can see the blooms on them. These are a perennial, which means they're going to come back each year and add a nice dash of color for them. Then as we go on across the landscape, we repeat the theme with the Obsession Nandinas and the dwarf Mexican petunia. And then we wrap around the corner, and we wanted to keep this simple over as we go around the corner, just something to soften the edge of the brick without getting so large that it starts taking up room into the landscape or into the lawn. So we use, these are pringle yews, and as I said, those get a few feet tall, and then the Obsession Nandinas tend to be a little bit more upright, and we continue that on across the rest of the landscape. Kelly was just delighted with the work that the landscape crew did for her. She said anytime she came out, so they were really a pleasure to work with, and made any changes that she wanted. They did that without any question at all. And she said it was just a delight to work with them. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, growing plants, growing people, growing relationships, and growing trust.